So, hello everyone. I hope everyone is good. Today, I got a question like my ads are suddenly disapproved because of a compromised site. Could someone help to understand the issue? Okay, so first of all, you need to be patient. You need to be fine. Yeah, it's an issue. It can happen with any website, knowingly or unknowingly, it can happen. And because Google felt that there is some virus or some malware on your website, so it can be due to this. So what you have to do is first of all, be patient. Don't need to worry. I will discuss few of the strategies which can help you to get out of the situation. First of all, thing is, look around. If you install any new plugin or a theme on your website recently, this can be an issue, and this can be a pirated, or this can be an issue. So look around in case if you got any new theme on your website or any new plugin, or did you share access with someone. Yeah, I'm not saying that the other guy has done something wrong on your website, but it could be his computer is infected and he uploaded files on your website, or did something and unknowingly uh, you know uh, his computer or laptop virus uh, you know affected your website. So this can be an issue. What you have to do is you have to do a complete malware scanner of your website after this thing. Once you figure out on those things and you are fine, like there are no virus issues or no plugins issues or anything wrong on your website, so you have to do a complete malware scanner option over on your website. Okay, to make sure for any website, also look around for SSL certificate in case if you have installed. Also ask your web hosting company for any virus. Or sometimes what happens is, like, people start doing email from your website and you don't know, or any or changes in frequency of emails going from your website. Okay, because I know a case where from one of my client, and someone using some email plugin on his server, on his hosting account, and he was sending emails. So that thing came attention through the web hosting company. So ask your web hosting company for such scenario, because that can also be an issue for your website. So once you are done with these things, what you have to do is you have to press the review option. Along with the ad where you see this compromise, you will have an option of review. Select the review, and Google team will review again. Okay, in case if it's sorted, that's well and good, and congrats that your website is no more compromised. But in case if the issue still persists, what you have to do is you have to call Google support, or hire us. Better is hire us, and we will gladly able to work out. And along with our dedicated manager support, we will look around on your website or on your issues for what is actually causing your website to be compromised in the eyes of Google, and will get sorted for you guys. So yeah, don't worry, and you can work with us. How you can work, the details are in the description of this video. So did I solve your answer? In case if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box, and make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Once again, thank you for watching this video, and bye bye.